Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one has the sport styling body, so it has a sports exterior and interior. 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Plenty of trunk space. Memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Media display. Hard keys for the media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. This C-Class has 68,963 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2014 C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.